Hi guys, in this video I show you how to export specific videos, audio or elements from your timeline individually or together using the range feature in CapCut. First, open a new project in CapCut or just open the project where you want to export specific videos or elements. On your timeline, right click on the clip or section you want to export. Go to range and then click on selected by clip. This marks the start and end point for your export. Everything inside that range, including any video, audio, text or effects stacked above, will include it in the export. If you don't want certain elements to be exported, simply click on the eye icon next to them in the track list to deactivate or hide them temporarily. You can also just right click on the specific element you want to hide and select deactivate clip. Later, after exporting, you can simply reactivate them the same way. And now double check your range. You can drag the start and end point to adjust if needed, as you can see here. Once you're happy with the selection, go to the right top corner and click on the export button. Give it a name, choose the saving location and adjust all other settings like resolution and FPS. Click on export and only the selected range with active elements will be saved as a new file. After exporting, just reactivate any tracks you hid before and your full project remains untouched. That's it, you have successfully exported individual clips and audio tracks using CapCut's range feature. Thank you for watching and see you next time.